I only deploy into one Philippine stock every month. And for June, I think I already know where my 9,000 peso allocation is going. By the way, I'm a mom of three and a breadwinner building a 60 million peso portfolio. And one thing I'm trying to avoid now is overcomplicating my local portfolio. Because honestly, when you're building wealth as a breadwinner, you don't need just the returns. You need clarity, intentionality, and systems you can sustain long term. So for June, I'll deploy my full Philippine allocation into ICT. Not because I think it's going to suddenly explode tomorrow, but because right now, it fits my portfolio structure the best. So here's how I'm thinking about it. I already have MP2 for stability. And then I have my three assets, Global Engine, which is the VOAA, SMGB, and ASML for broad global growth. So my Philippine allocation doesn't need to become ultra defensive right now. It still needs productive growth, strong cash flow, and resilience. And compared to AREIT or Meralco, ICT gives me something different because it's less dependent on local property cycles, Philippine consumer spending, and interest rate sensitivity. Instead, it benefits more from global trade, logistics, infrastructure movement, and in uncertain environments like during the war, cash generating infrastructure businesses usually hold up better. That doesn't mean AREIT or Meralco are now bad. Actually, I still like both. I'm still getting them. But right now, AREIT feels more useful later when my focus becomes heavier on income. And since the ex-dividend date has already passed, which is last May 26th. And Meralco feels more appropriate during stronger defensive phases. At this stage, I still need my Philippine layer to contribute meaningful growth. And ICT fits that role better for me right now. There's also weakness this past few days, so I'm capitalizing on that. So one thing I'm learning while building this portfolio is that not every allocation has to be perfectly balanced every month. Sometimes simplicity is the strategy. One intentional decision is usually better than five random ones made emotionally, especially when your investable cash is limited. And in this case, it's just 9,000 pesos in my Pera account. So if you want to follow along, I'm documenting the 16 million peso build as I go. But remember that this is my personal system, so please study first before you invest. Because investing isn't just about picking good assets. It's also about understanding why an asset belongs inside your system in the first place. And that's the update for today, group mates. See you on the next one.